Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial I want to show you this very cool AI Gen tool which can help us to build a full stack application in just minutes. So it's a website. The website is loveable.dev. Just hit enter. You have to create an account on this, okay? And after that you have to type your prompt. Let me just sign in. It's actually already signed in. So here you have to give your prompt like what type of website you want to create. If you have no idea, you can see there are certain suggestions here also, like personal website, real estate listing, confetti animation, AI image generated website. So let's say I want to create a personal website for my coffee shop. So I'll just type uh, create me a cool looking coffee website for my shop with 3-4 pages. Basically, the quality of website depends on how better you write the prompt. You can just use ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek to create a prompt, a very cool prompt like what features you want in your website, and just ask it. Or you can also tell your own feature, your colors, the language that you want to use, all these things, backend, front end, everything, and it will do everything for you. Okay. You can also attach any image that you want to make any copy of, or you can import your Figma file. After typing a prompt or doing any of these, you can just hit enter. Okay. And let's see what it builds. So it has started. Here it has doing something like it will implement these things. Home page with hero section, feature products and about section, menu page displaying coffee offerings, about page and contact page. These 4 pages will be there, okay, with these things. For the design, this will use colors, these colors, typography, this text, animations, imagery, and after that, it will start writing the code for you. So it's going to take some time, like 2-3 minutes. So I'll just fast forward the entire tutorial and we'll meet once this is complete. Okay. So it is completed, and here's our website. Looks quite good. There's the header. We have 4 options: home, menu, about, contact, order now. We have this explore our menu, and if I clicked on this, I just go to the R menu page. It has also added few uh, products for us. You can see, looks good. Okay, cool. And then it has added the footer as well. Links you can update here. Okay. And also type in the prompt like what things you want to be written here, what quick links, opening words, all these you can mention. It will update accordingly. So it looks good. Let's go to home. So if I scroll down, these things are written: featured coffees, the story kind of testimonial. Yes. And yes, it looks perfectly good. Let's check the about page. So it has a about page created like this, and contact page as well. See, it has also created a form, map as well, frequently asked questions, and on the order now. I guess order now isn't created. The cool thing is what you can do is you can just select any of these and start saying like I want to do this. You can just write here also that you want this thing to be updated. Okay, and it will start updating the things. The next thing is you can directly deploy it from here. You can get the source code on GitHub by connecting your GitHub. You will also see that this is mobile friendly or responsive as well. So if I go to new, here, it looks good. Okay, works perfectly. You can see the code from here as well. You can update directly code, and there are a lot of things you can do actually. So somewhere here there is the option to select like this, the edit, and you can select like what thing you want to edit. Like say I want to edit order now button. You can do these kind of things from here. Okay, or you can also just tell that I want to modify this button to something new, or I want to do this thing when this button is clicked. So all kind of things you can do. So try this website, guys. It's free. I hope you loved and learned something new. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Explore. You can now build your own websites in minutes. No need to pay money to any developer. So this is it. Let's meet in the next tutorial.